Welcome back to yet another video where the entire world is talking about Taiwan. In Europe, Taiwan is once again covering entire newspapers as the Swedish Nya Wermlandstidningen once again is encouraging Taiwan's inclusion in the WHO. In Asia, the Taiwanese government is searching for 20,000 volunteers for a Taiwan-developed COVID-19 vaccine, and in the US, the Brookings Institution has found that Taiwan is the only country in the entire world who had a positive GDP growth during COVID-19. As you can see, we have a lot of news to talk about today, so let's roll that intro and get started right away. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If this is the first time we're seeing each other, I just want to explain a few things before we get started with the actual video, and that is that 1. My name is Lukas Engström, 2. I'm a Swede living here in Taiwan, and 3. It would mean a lot to me if you show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, just to encourage me to continue making videos about the beautiful Taiwan and also international Taiwan related news week after week. But if you're already subscribing to this channel, then you do not need any further introduction, and you should also be aware of NWT or Nya Wermlandstidningen by now, the Swedish regional newspaper who previously have supported Taiwan by publishing an article saying that Taiwan can contribute to a stronger United Nations, and who, after publishing this article, received a lot of angry letters from the Chinese embassy, and who then replied to these angry letters by publishing another article saying that China cannot control Taiwan nor WNT. Well, this week Taiwan is once again covering pretty much the entire newspaper, as they have published an article written by the Taiwanese Health Minister Chen Shizong, where he urges WHO and associated parties to acknowledge Taiwan's long-term contributions to global health, disease prevention, and the human right to general health, as well as wholeheartedly support Taiwan's inclusion in WHO. This article also mentions that now in total it has been over 40 million COVID-19 cases. Sadly, I think as I'm recording this, we're now well above 50 million cases, and that there have been over 1 million deaths and, needless to say, enormous global economical impacts as well. Meanwhile, Taiwan has not only been able to be the only country in the entire world who has had a positive GDP growth during COVID-19, they have at the same time been able to export 51 million surgical masks, 1.16 million N95 masks, 600,000 protective suits, and 35,000 thermometers to 80 countries. So, as the health minister Chen Shizong is stating in this article, COVID-19 has also proved that Taiwan plays a huge part in the global health network, and that the Taiwan model does not only work for Taiwan, but it can also help other countries to fight and conquer the pandemic. He also urges WHO and all associated partners that in order to speed up this process, to speed up just the global recovery process for the entire world, to acknowledge Taiwan's long-term contribution to global health, disease prevention, and the human right to general health, as well as wholeheartedly support Taiwan's inclusion at the WHO. And speaking about the Taiwan model, the Taiwan Ministry of Health is currently searching for 20,000 volunteers to partake in the first trial of a Taiwanese self-developed vaccine for COVID-19. So because of this, they have launched a website where they're looking for volunteers and accept applications for anyone who is interested in assisting the ministry of creating these vaccines. And as I'm recording this, we're short around 1,800 people. So if you live in Taiwan, if you're interested to help out, you have a link in the description below where you can go straight to the website and sign up and help. Now, full disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I have nothing to do with the Ministry of Health, the FDA, the Taiwan government, or anything like this. I just came across this website. I noticed that we're still short of people to sign up for these trials. I just want to do whatever I can to help out, and I hope that we very soon have the 20,000 people needed for these trials to begin, as the total number of global COVID-19 cases is still on the rise. And another thing that's on the rise here in Taiwan is rice. Ilan, the county normally associated with surfing and hot springs, have now started rice export to Japan. And according to the Agricultural and Food Agency, a total of 1,800 tons of Ilan rice will eventually be exported to Japan. And if you think that I'm only including this news just because I'm extremely proud over that rice transition, then you're damn right. And another dam that has been in the Taiwanese news this week is Zhongwen Dam, which is Taiwan's largest water reservoir. And if you thought that the quality of these transition jokes was low, then that is nothing compared to the level of water in Zhongwen Reservoir, as the water level is almost empty and the water storage is only 23.4% of its total capacity. Now, this is usually the part of the video where I will cut to our traveling reporter, where I would have a pre-recorded sequence, pretend to have a conversation, where we will try to sort out the exact cause behind this water shortage down in the south. But I just wanted to say, and this, this is way too stupid to make up, the Zhongwen Reservoir is way down south. It will be too far for me to go there and to record something for this video. But I was actually exactly at this reservoir earlier this month to record another video where I'm traveling around Shilaya and just having a great time exploring everything that Shilaya has to offer. Now, I'm not saying that our traveling reporter is the main cause of the water shortage in this area, but this is what happened when I was there earlier this month trying to check out Shilaya, including one of their nicer hot spring hotels. The hot spring in this hotel where I'm staying right now fills up very, very fast. So, as you can see in the background right now, this weekend we are down back in Shilaya, where we're gonna do a bunch of different things, including trying to make this water stop in my hot spring hotel here. Now, to my defense, I was very busy replying to some YouTube comments from you guys, which I'm all very grateful for, and also planning the next day's shooting. Instead, I have to spend pretty much the entire night cleaning up the entire bathroom just to make sure that it was 100% clean, 360 degrees. And speaking of clean in 360 degrees, I just want to end this video with mentioning this new super interesting product made right here in Taiwan, which is Deep Purple UV Sanitizer by Moshi. If you haven't heard of Moshi, they're very famous for their iPhone lightning cables and origami inspired iPad covers. And they have now launched this origami styled foldable and portable UV sanitizer on Kickstarter, which you can use to clean your phone, pretty much anything else, in only 4 minutes. Full disclosure, you will see me talking about this company and this product in particular in some future videos as well, since I've had the opportunity and honor to talking to them regarding some sponsorships and some collaborations for this channel. But since it's now live on Kickstarter where they have some great discounts, I just want to make you aware of this product right away, so you have the chance to place your order as soon as possible to make sure that you don't miss out on these great deals as well. If you're interested, you have the link and everything you need down in the description below. They offer free shipping to Taiwan and to the US, and all their products, including this UV sanitizer, comes with 10 years warranty. That was everything I wanted to talk about today. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Lukas, starts with L as in like, ends with S as in subscribe. Please do both, and see you all in the next one.